So let me just show you how to create a voucher on Canva. You go to canva.com and the home page will look something like this. If you're already on Canva and you have created stuff, you'll already have some of your designs here. I'm just going to go into create a design and just make it nice and easy. You can type in, you can scroll down and see different things you might want to make, but for now I'm just going to type in gift certificate. That brings you to this page where you have a blank canvas and then you have designs over here. So there's a couple of nice ones there. Some of these will be paid for, some of them will be free. If you don't have a paid account, choose a free option. There's actually plenty of free options. And just so to make it easier for you when you're looking for one, if you go up here, this is a little filter thing up here, clicking on this, and then scroll down a little bit. Okay, it's not giving me the option. Usually you can choose if you want a free or paid versions of graphics, but there's little glitches every now and then, not to worry. So you can scroll down and anything that has a little crown sign on it is pro, which means you pay for it. Anything that doesn't have the crown sign on it is free. So a couple of decent options there. So just choose this one. And there is your gift voucher. And you can edit it. You can change the picture by clicking here. And then you can either scroll down here. So I'm on the left hand side scrolling down. And then choose photos. And then put in the kind of photos that you want to see. So maybe it is, say, reflexology. Right, that's odd. We'll do massage. You could also do foot massage if you wanted a decent reflexology picture. They're pretty good. So again, watch out for the little pro sign if you don't have a paid account. Just really I think the free ones are absolutely fine. There's something like, say this. And when you choose an image, actually I'm going to show you a different one because that is in landscape. I'm going to find one with a portrait kind of one. So I'm going to go for this one. And all you do, you can either click on it or you can click and drag. And then you just make it the right size by playing with the little circles. So all you need to do is drag the circles into the area you want them to be in. And then you can draw on these little lines to pull the picture up and pull it down. And then if you want to see a different part of the picture, you can move it around, pull on the little line, and then bring it in to fill the space you want it to fill. I actually think the original picture is pretty good, depending on what kind of vouchers you're doing, of course. But yeah, that would be how you change a picture. Also, you can upload a picture from your computer or your phone by going to Uploads. And upload, just scroll around till you find it near the top. Then you click on it. And then you can click on Upload Files. And then all you do is just choose an image from your computer. And then to use it, you either double click or click and drag and bring it over to the voucher and just resize it as I just showed with the other picture. You can change the background colour by clicking here. And whatever is highlighted is what you're going to be working on. So you're going to be working on the picture. Picture's highlighted, working on this particular box. That comes up. So, we're going to click on that, and if you want to change the colour of the background, you simply go in here and just change to whatever colour you like. To change the text, you click on the text, and you literally just type over it. So I'm just going to click on that delete and change it to a euro sign. And again, just clicking on that text, it's outlined, it means that's what I'm going to be editing. If you don't like how it's aligned, so I don't like one word on top of the other, you can either draw the little bars out here, or you can simply go up here and you can change the size of the text. So you can change the size of any text by clicking on it, and you can use plus or minus buttons, or you can just highlight the numbers here and type over them. You can change the colour of the text up here. You can make it bold, you can make it italic. So let me just show you that. That's highlighted. I want to make it bold, and it's bold. Now if I want to change the colour, come up here, choose a different colour. So the colours, if you already have an account and you have it paid, you probably have your own brand will be up. But other than that, you'll have the photo colours and you'll have a whole selection of colours up here. You can change the text here, or you can change the box. So I'm hovering over that, it's only going to change the text. If I want to change the colour of the box, I just need to move it slightly. All I'm doing is clicking and dragging. Then you can click on the box and you can change the colour of the box to whatever you like. And then to put the text back, you just click and drag. Oh, I'm on it. Right, I'm actually editing the box, so I need to click off and then click back on and drag the text onto it. So if you're working on one element and you go to work on another element, you need to click off and then click back on again. And then if you want to make more vouchers that are similar, you can just go up here, click copy, and then you can edit your pictures, your amounts, or whatever, and it makes it really quick. To download the vouchers, you just go up here where it says share, click on the share button, and then scroll down until you come to download. You click on the little arrow here, and then what I would suggest, if you want something to print, that you would use a PDF standard, so not a PDF print, PDF standard. PDF print is much more high quality, it'll take more of your ink, etc. You only really use that if you're going to bring it to a professional printer. And then if you want a picture to share, or if you want to send it to, and if you're sending it, you'll send it as a PDF. If you want a picture to share to put up on your website or on your social media, etc., just click on JPEG to download that, and then to print it off, you click a PDF standard, and then that can be sent to somebody and they can print it off. So I hope you found that helpful. I hope you can see how easy it is. Thanks a million for listening. I'll see you for the next one.